ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮತ್ತು ಉಡುಪಿ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಒಗ್ಗೂಡಿಸಿ ರಿಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟರ್ಸ್ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಉತ್ತಮ ಬಾಂಧವ್ಯವನ್ನು ರೂಪಿಸುವ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟರ್ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಓಷನ್ ಪರ್ಲ್ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಾಗಾರ ಹಾಗೂ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಪೋರ್ಟಲ್ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟರ್ಸ್ನ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದಂತಹ ರವಿ ನಾಯಕ್, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟರ್ಸ್ ಉಪಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದಂತಹ ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ಹಾಗೂ ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ ಉಡುಪಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟರ್ಸ್ನ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದಂತಹ ನಿಕೋಲಸ್ ಲೂಯಿಸ್ ಮತ್ತಿತರರು ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು.
Then somebody will have to support it. Let's do this or that. We'll have to support. So a strong association can get any justified ruling because nobody, including the government, agrees that VAT on charger issue is wrong. Even government agrees. But rule is a rule. Supreme Court rule is a rule. Everybody has to follow it. But that also has been challenged and changed in Kerala. Even for that matter in Karnataka, I think for the past 2.5 years, in fact I regularly get calls from Mr. Pai, Mr. Bala, Mr. Nicholas, everybody. Our team of 3 or 4 people have been meeting everybody, practically everybody, including it has gone to the, but because of the consistent effort by this association, now we have a situation where we still do not have a full this thing, but we still have a solution which is bearable. We are not going to stop at that. In fact, we will again take it forward. So a strong association, whether it is in Mangalore or any other place, if you look at, because now I have my friends from Davangere and all other places, I think it has to be strongly there. It has to be pursued with purpose, because when you have to run an association, you have to give your extra time. It is not profitable time. You have to give. When you are doing business, you assume it to be a profitable time. You are running something, you are giving your time to that business. When you are spending time with your family or friends, you are enjoying the benefit. But when you are doing it for association, you are doing it selflessly. So when selflessly, only very few people can do it. So this is association, running of association is one such of them, where you have to do and work selflessly, and more importantly for the committee, because the praise for a good work will be less, the blame for not doing a particular job will be more. And just having said that, I also request, there is a saying in English that the Caesar's wife should be above suspicion. So I request, wholeheartedly say, our just like Mr. Nicholas said, I think by force, selected, elected or whatever done, Chavan, everybody were put into that position. And for the last 5 years, we have every time we are having a age outside India also to have us replaced. We are not even getting one application selflessly. Only when you do it selflessly. So I request the, and also, once you have formed an association, it just gives you a power. Along with that, it will also build a camaraderie. Now I can very proudly say, in Bangalore, he's on bankruptcy or he wants to. In fact, we have gone an extra mile and supported the retailer. Is going to shut down, that we pull out and make him die. No, we have also given a solution. That is what I expect here also. Some honorable retailers, because then you have to handle it separately, differently. But if they are really in trouble, they are in bad time, then you have to find a solution. That is what we are doing in Bangalore. We meet every month once. Every first Tuesday we